Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Konrad ke sangma haka khat sauterik ujili arjar khat khandai ula Plie ba ya ka Digital Planetarium, Space Education Center and Innovation Hub kapadon ha Shillong Science Center, Maulai, Nehu Shillong. Habakran ko mukong san hagani kasngi Myntri Rangbah ula ong baya ka jingtip syapang ka jing start science day ban penrong ha ka jingmut jing perkhat jong ki samla pule bat ki khna school ban penlong ya ki bapro jabin. Shuwa kani Director ka National Council of Science Museums Kolkata AD Chaudhry ulayatho bakathong jong ka National Council of Science Museums kalong ban penslori ya ki samla pule bakini ya be sya ka jing pule ya ka science ka ban long jing mentoy ha ka jing em jong ubriu. Ulaong baga National Council of Science Museums shen kan satay ya kani ka juk ka center hanong ba tura bat ka Science City kabadon ha Sor Guwahati kan sapet ya ka jingnon kam na kamenta kiwei pat ka Jylla jong ka thain satay lamingi ki jong kari India. Hagani ka sngi Myntri Rangbah ula samru ya ki khusnam sya ki nong job ha ki jing ko baper.
There's another object behind the wall. Okay.
Very encouraging, I should say, and very positive to see the way the children are taking so much interest in science and innovation. And I think really there has been a bit of a vacuum in this area for our state and the region as a whole. And I think planetariums and innovation hubs like these will go a long way in creating that bit of interest that the child and inquisitiveness that a child has to develop that interest in innovation and science. And the state, of course, also is working on ensuring that we work towards innovation. So therefore, this goes in line with the policy of the government. I'm happy that another one is going to come out in Tura, for which we have laid the foundation stone. And I'm told it will take about 17 to 18 months to construct it. But this is a great step. I saw the children out here. I saw so many things that they are doing and telling me, which of course I couldn't understand half of it, but it really gives me a lot of satisfaction to see the way our children are coming up in especially in the field of science and technology. Yeah, science overall of course is a thing that we want that there should be more interest in science and innovation and technology as a whole. We have in fact just recently, you must be aware that we have come out with a startup policy, and startup policy is something that has a lot to do with innovation, and this innovation has a lot to do with, of course, science and technology. So therefore we are hoping that policies like these will encourage more people to get into science and technology and innovation, and and create that bit of interest that we feel that should be there in the